Congressman Busita, you are recognized.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. Comsec, please. Mr. Chair. Muna po natin si Vika. Road race incident, sir, Mr. Chair, yan sa Makati. It involves also police officer from, yes, Mr. Chair. So may we ask Regional Director of NCRPO, sir, for the update regarding this incident.
The one wearing white t-shirt is a police officer from Pasay City who had an altercation with a motor rider. Said he's a member of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. I'm Police Brigadier General Jose Melencio Nartates, the Regional Director of National Capital Region in acting capacity since July 7. Indeed, there was an incident as shown dito sa screen natin, sir. And this actually happened on August 25. August 25 of this year. And actually, I have received that viral video only late in the afternoon yesterday. And from different sources, of course, from fellow police officers, my neighbors, including netizens and social media vlogs, this particular video that had been shown. And upon receiving that video, it's very quite alarming, or it's alarming, because again, this is almost a repetition of what had happened this last weekend, particularly last Sunday, when a viral video na parehang-pareha, halos pareha ang effect, ay naka-receive na naman tayo of a video yesterday in the afternoon. I immediately directed the concerned district director of the Southern Police District and two of his chief of police, the Makati City Chief of Police, including Pasay City Chief of Police. And then, right away, nakapag-feedback po sila, leading to the identification of the personalities involved. And with that, I asked them what had happened, and this case had been acted upon by the police. Actually, sir, the one involved, the one wearing white t-shirt, is a police officer from Pasay City who had an altercation with a motor rider. Actually, sir, one of the video, the video that had been shown had been forwarded to me by Honorable Congressman Busita of the Party List for One Rider, as a member of the rider group. Yung tao po na nasa ibabaw is a police officer, and when this happened, two policemen have readily nag-respond, and they were brought together with yung tao doon sa ilalim. And on the investigation conducted by the concerned substation of Makati City Police Station, it led to the identification na yung one wearing white is a police officer, and the one who was subdued is a person that said he's a member of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. And so with that instance, the action of the police officer is quite rewarding, or pwede nating reward, because he was able to subdue that person who introduced himself as a member of the armed forces with a gun tucked on his waist. So yung gun po ay na-recover. But what's so ang hindi po maganda is when I inquired about the investigation, it turned out that the desk officer during the time when they were brought to the concerned substation, they allowed him to go home to get the necessary documents of the documents. And so hanggang ngayon, di pa bumalik. So it turned out that the firearms is had an expired license, and it turned out that the person is somehow involved in sting of cases like usurpation of authority. And so hindi na po bumalik, and I have directed the Chief of Police of Makati why this case had not been reached the regional headquarters minutes or hour after they have accosted it, including the concerned investigator, bakit nila ni-release, including the station commander or substation commander who never reported this one. And now, of course, I would like to thank you, Honorable Busita, sir, for that video, and including lahat ng mga nag-post sa social media. Without this, hindi ko malalaman. Hindi malalaman ng Chief of Police or concerned district director. That's why nagpa-imbestiga na ako. I have the concerned substation commander and district desk officer to be relieved and reassigned to headquarters para maimbestigahan. To include, yes sir.
May singit lang ako doon, no? Before I recognize again Congressman Busita, yung ating Directorate for Information, no? Do we have a program or a policy of the organization pertaining to the different platforms in social media that we are monitoring? We know that these videos that are being uploaded by our citizens are mga viral ones, no? And those na hindi naman po nagiging viral, sometimes nane-neglect na natin. So I think you need to have a policy in the Directorate sa Information to look after all these different clips or videos that being uploaded sa Facebook. Do we have a program like that?
Yes, or Mr. Chairman, sir, and your honors. We have a program like that, like we serve and or go to the videos, especially on the social media. In as much as these are sources of our information. And of course, lalong-lalo na, sinabi ng ating butihing Attorney Fortun na nakuha niya lang din sa social media.
Correct, yes.
Nakuha niya sa social media, and I, as the regional director, nakuha ko rin sa social media the incident in Quezon City. That's why, that morning, nung na-receive ko yon, I immediately directed the district director and the concerned investigators in regional office, leading to the identification of that persons in the person of Willie Gonzalez. And I'm surprised why this incident never reached my cellular phone when this happened. Kasi oras-oras, meron po, nagbabasa po ako, sir, Your Honor, ng insidente. And surprisingly, this was never reported. Imagine,
siguro,
this
General,
is...
maputol na kita para at least mabilis na po tayo kasi 9 na oras na po tayo nag-hearing.
Yes, sir.
Members of this committee, 9 hours na po tayo nag-hearing today. Talagang medyo pagod na nga rin po si General. Alam naman natin, matanda na to. So, wala naman si General. So, we understand your sentiments, General Nartates, and we agree with you, no? But I think you have to enhance, no? Andito na po pala yung ating General ako. Pupo ka na dyan, Padre. We agree with you, no? And ang sa akin lamang po, i-enhance pa po natin, no? And I think you need to remind all of your regional directors to submit, no, sa national lahat ng mga issues pertaining to this abuses that being committed by our organization. At hindi lamang 'yon, even those altercation that being committed by ordinary citizens, makuha po natin ang lahat ng impormasyon na 'yon dahil napaka-importante po, dahil hindi nyo na kailangan pang magdala ng mga pulis sa iba't ibang parte ng ating bansa. Ito lamang mga impormasyon na ganito ay isa ng pamamaraan upang yung ating pong responsibilidad ay may isagawa natin sa ating pong mga kababayan. So, yun lamang po ang gusto kong parating sa inyo, General, at we are very thankful that you were able to somehow dig deeper on that issue that actually ngayon ko rin lang nakita. And thank you so much, Congressman Busita, for that. And siguro, ang dami-dami pa niyan. Hindi lang natin alam yung iba pa. And anyway, Congressman Busita, tapos ka na po ba? Or
Yes, Mr. Chair. Okay na po. RD, Regional Director ng NCRPO, General Natates. Thank you very much.